if you're in a live environment, whether it's transcription or translation, you can choose to get a caption stream, and I will show you what I mean by that for live to start. I'll just pick Spanish. If I look at this situation, this anywhere I press on closed captioning here, it'll actually open up a green screen, so I can then get the live caption stream. You can also then extract the live caption stream out of your computer to be able to feed it to the client's site. So if you're in a live newsroom environment, you can do that by streaming the green screen caption feed directly to the client side. And this can be done for the native language as well as the translation streams. If you're going to request a transcript and you want to get the captioned files for the pre-recorded option, you will request the file types right here. So when you get a pop-up during the request form, you can choose the different file types you want to request closed captions for. Else, you will only get a Microsoft Word transcript produced at the end of the job.